Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Apple Pay age requirement. So first of all, here on your Apple phone, tap on your settings. Now here on your settings, what you're going to do is scroll down and find this mail. Here on mail, tap on accounts. And here under accounts, you just need to tap on iCloud. Basically, you just need to tap on personal information. Here on your personal information, tap on date of birth. And here you can edit your date of birth accordingly. So that's how you basically fix Apple Pay age requirement. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.